Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I've hosted the second part of the Prodigy YouTuber tournament. So yeah, let's go ahead and see the bracket. Okay, so as you can see, we have Arthur the Prodigy Pro going against me. We have Frieza going against Ariana Wildgirl, Pris going against Prodigy Math Game Player, and Glass Inferno going against Cadence Night Talon. So let's start off with watching me versus Arthur the Prodigy Pro. Here we go, we are battling Arthur the Prodigy Pro. This is the second match. So, I think that I have a very good shot at losing this one, because he has in a pet that I do not want to see. He has Luminite, I don't remember which one that is. Let's see, does he go with the water attack? No. Okay, so we are about the same health right now. I hope that this doesn't have a water attack, because that would be very bad for us at the moment. We are just going to go ahead and stick with what we have. Okay, we got the question right. He uses Volcannon, which is what I wanted to see. I don't think we're going to take out his Smoldash right here. So we are about the same amount of health. I'm going to use, I don't know. We know that he can't use an electric attack right here, which is good for Flick Fit. Alright, there we go. I don't know what I'm going to do next turn, because I could put this in and then he puts this in. I feel like we are both going to go with our wizards, which is what I'm scared of. I don't know what Flick Fit has on it. But we do take out Smoldash, which is good. And then Flick Fit didn't get much damage done to it. And now here comes a very big decision. I think that I'm going to go with Flick Fit right here, because I feel like he thinks that I'm going to go with my wizard. That's not good. Okay, hopefully this doesn't take us out. It does. That's really bad. This is not good. Now we just have to rely on our wizard, which I do not want to do. Alright, so we have like 0 shot of winning this, unless he gets a question wrong, which I doubt is going to happen. So let's do that. I don't think we can win this. I am hoping that there's Battle Crash. There isn't. Okay, we take out Luminite. Hopefully this does like 4,000 damage or he misses. We lost. There's really nothing we can do right here. Literally nothing. We just have to hope that he gets the question wrong. So my only hope is that he uses Supernova right here, like he did in his match against Prodigy Prince. Yeah, there he goes. Supernova, 3,338, please. Nope, we lost. And yeah, we lost 5,199 damage. Prodigy masking player lost to Pris, but a few days later, Pris said that he wanted to leave for personal reasons, and here's a screenshot that shows it. So Prodigy masking player is now back in. Now we're going to watch Glass Inferno versus Cadence Night Talon. Alright, so that's going to go ahead and end up the video. Glass Inferno beat Cadence Night Talon. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. This did take a very long time to make, and bye.